curry and my pepper, chicken, some turkey. I'm not carrying all of this, so it's for Timmy as well, but I'm going to pick some pieces to go. I couldn't resist it. Emma Binu. 5 Qatar time and it's getting dark. I want to take a walk before it gets completely dark, even though I've been told that Qatar is about the safest country in the world. I'm not here to test myself, but I'm gonna take a walk down the street and then back to my hotel. All right.
Salam alaikum, Habibi. If you're ready, let's go, Habibi. I told you, Habibi. Where the money enter, Habibi.
So housekeeping came this morning. They wanted to tidy up the room, and I asked, of course, if we were going to replace the bottles of water they had kept earlier, and he said yes. I told him that, can I get more? I drink a lot of water, and he said, okay, I come in. And then he goes out and comes back. Is 8 enough? I said 8 bottles. He said, yeah, you need one more. And then he was trying to place the call, like, oh, this is the sweetest. And then I go to the shelf. Let me show you guys. Look at the 8 bottles of water. Aren't they cute? Look at these purple bottles, so cute. And then he added these 2 extra ones. Like, I love it so much. I feel we'll take it care of. I love it. Yogurt was a blind buy, but I've opened it, I've tried it, and I love it. It's got 0 sugar. There's no sugar in it. This is pure yogurt made from cow milk. So good. This one is proper Greek yogurt. I'll have it tomorrow or late. Why did they write the Greek yogurt on the body? I know I saw it. Greek yogurt. And then this should be sardines. Fruits are the same everywhere. Mustafa, say hi.
Hello. Hi.